Welcome to my channel, iGallery. Today in this video, I will show how to replace or change excess LCD. Remove the two 6.9mm long pentalobe screws at the bottom edge of the iPhone. Opening the iPhone's display will compromise its waterproof seals. Have replacement seals ready before you proceed past this step, or take care to avoid liquid exposure if you reassemble your iPhone without replacing the seals. Heating the lower edge of the iPhone helps soften the adhesive securing the display, making it easier to open. Don't insert your pick more than 3mm, as you may damage internal components. Remove 5 screws securing the logic board connector bracket of the following lengths. 3 1.0mm Y000, screws 1 1.3mm Y000, screw 1 3.7mm Phillips screw. Throughout this repair, keep track of each screw and make sure it goes back exactly where it came from to avoid damaging your iPhone. Use a spudger or a fingernail to disconnect the OLED panel cable connector. Use a spudger or fingernail to pry the digitizer cable connector up from its socket. Carefully lift the cable until the adhesive separates. Let's verify the new screen. Let's check everything is working fine or not before assembling. Begin by removing all the old display adhesive around the perimeter of your iPhone's case. You can pull the adhesive off with tweezers or roll it up on the tip of a spudger with a roll and pull motion. Use the tip of your spudger to remove any remaining smaller bits of adhesive. Remove the 3 Y000 screws securing the speaker wash sensor assembly. 1 1.3mm screw, 1 1.4mm screw, 1 1.9mm screw. The earpiece speaker is lightly adhered in place. Using a spudger, gently pry under the top edge of the speaker assembly and flip it over, down and away from the top edge of the display. The speaker remains attached via a very thin flex cable. Be careful not to strain or damage the cable. Use a hairdryer or heat gun or prepare an eye opener and apply it to the top front of the display for about a minute in order to soften the adhesive securing the sensors. Now place all the screw back in its place wisely of ear speaker flex. Now place the bracket back in its place and place the screws. 3 1.0mm Y000 screws, 1 1.3mm Y000 screw, 1 3.7mm Phillips screw on its place. clean all the dust, and the fingerprint. That was in the phone while replacing the screen. And slowly close the screen. We didn't place the waterproof sticker in the phone because the client didn't want to pay, and they were okay with it. Let's screw back the two 6.9 millimeter long pentalobe screws at the bottom edge of the iPhone. Please subscribe my channel for more and more repair videos. Thanks for watching.